planning to go by flight this time. Tun trum chu Thlawhna kal katum veya. That's cool. Is it your first time? Thalom, Thlawhna in ivoi khat kalna turami. Yes, I'm a bit nervous because I don't have any experience. Kasam vedewa achan su experience engma kalana isilawa. Okay, no worries. I'll tell you a few rules and regulations. It's gonna be helpful, I guess. Ole, lungai su andan le dun te trem ka hilam senga chuchuan hapui che karingani. Thank you so much. Go ahead. Kalom lutuk. Hansoi ta che. When is your departure time? Hing tik nge I thot chua hun. Tomorrow morning at 2 a.m. Naktuk sing dat ya. Okay, you have to arrive the airport around 1 a.m. Ole airport dar khat vela it henangai ani chu. Why? I didn't understand. Our departure time is 2 a.m. Nothing e kavan thre thiam lo ve. Ka chua hun dar ya dei ani sia. You have to do so many things out there before you get the flight. Thlawhna I chuan ma in thil tam tak ti nga ya omalom. Oh really? I didn't know about that. Please tell me step by step. Tak mo ka shelo reng alom. Kung ayin ayin dot te in min han shil te. Okay, you have to reach at least 1 hour before your scheduled departure time. Ole, hello bera ichua hun aya ma dar kar khata tal iwathen angaya ni. As your flight is Air India, your luggage should not be exceeded 25 kilo and hand baggage also not more than that 7 kilo. Air India ikaldona fangin ibek pa ngai khake si sompi panga aina ritura nilawa ikuta bek iken po khake si sari ain aritura nilawani. Oh, I see. If my luggage exceeds the weight limit, then what they'll do? Ole ka se thiame ka bek chuan ari song tiam sin ba lo pel se engtin nge an tiang. You have to pay extra money per kilo 1,000 rupees as per my knowledge. Paisa ipek bel ngayang kesi khata sang khat ka riat dan chuan ania. Are you serious? I don't have weighing scale also. What will I do? Iti takta kami abuk na turpo kanay silawa engtin nge ka tiang. It's okay. Once you reach down at the airport, weighing scale will be there outside. You can check over there. Airport ithen huna alu ma khan abuk na chu oma ta khan iwa buk don nia. So, if your luggage more than 25 kilo, then take out something from your luggage and shift it to your hand baggage. Chuan ibek lian so ka 25 kilo aya aritani chuan ila chuak thenanga ia tur so ka khan ida thendon nia. But hand baggage also should not more than 7 kilo, right? I'm worried about my hand baggage too. Ma se ka hand baggage po kesi sari aya ritlaw tu ani siya. Ka hand baggage so po hi ka ngai tu ariyo. Cool, no worry. They haven't checked regularly hand baggage. The main important thing is only your luggage. Lungai su, hand baggage an endik vak ngai lo apoi mo ber chu I luggage kha ani mai. Okay, thanks. Then carry on. Ole kalome an soi zel te. Then, as I told you, you have to get ready before 45 minutes. So, they will announce flight number and all. Chuan ka hril to che ang khan minute somli panga ma in pe angaya. Chuan I Thlawhna number vel an lo puang don ani. If you have any confusion, there will be two gates. One is departure and another one is arrival gate. It will be mentioned clearly with signboard. Riat thiam lo deu inai ani chuan gate pahnih awmanga pakhat chu departure ani a adang le chu arrival gate ani. Signboard a chiang takin alo in siakang. So, go directly to departure gate. Some duty will be there. Then show your ticket and ask them whatever concern. Chuan departure gate a chuan hiva kalanga duty anlo omanga I ticket kha mula I du tu izot to mai don ani. Eng tika nge gate hi an hon don ti vel song te. Then you have to wait until the gate open. Chuan gate an hon ma chu inga ngai ta ni. One more thing, you have to show your ID, other card and flight ticket. Everything should be same like your date of birth, name and all. Otherwise they won't accept it. Thil pakhat le lo ID, other card le flight ticket I huangaya chuan a in ang vek turani I pian ni le thla ming song te ani lo chuan an pom lo ania. Okay, that's not the problem. Ole kha kha chu buai na om lo. When you enter inside the airport, you have to go directly to Air India counter. A big signboard will be there. Airport chung ilu velaya. Air India counter ipan wanganga. Signboard lian puin alawin tarang. If you can't see the counter, so many staff will be there. Ask them and they'll help you out. Counter I mu thei lo ani chuan an ha thok tam tak an lo omang iso tanga chuan an lo pui mai ang che. So you have to make a line one by one. Pakhat te a in line angai dona. Then they'll ask you to put your luggage on the scale. You have to show your ticket as well. Chuan I luggage chu book na da turin an lo ti chenga I ticket mu bok anga ya. After that, they'll give you back your ticket and boarding pass as well. Azwa I ticket le boarding pass an lo piang che. They'll tell you where to go and everything is mentioned on your boarding pass, like gate number and all. Chuan I kalna tur an lo thilang chenga I boarding pass a khan in kim gate number te a chuang vek ani. So they'll take care of your luggage. I luggage ka chu an lo buai pui toang. Buai pui angai to lo ani I luggage ka. Before you reaching the gate, you have to go through another one more security checkpoint. Gate I then main security check na hundang pakhat I paltlang le angai ani. They are maintaining strictly in this checkpoint. He checkpoint hi an film khurin an su mani. You have to remove everything except your clothes. Ikor ha apply ti lo khachu I phel vek angai ni. Then what they gonna do? Chuan eng tin nge an ti don. They'll ask you to keep inside the container whatever your belonging. Ithil zong chu pawh da turin an tiang che. They'll scanning your stuff whether something wrong is there or not. Thil fellow phallo ipai empty an endik don ani. A scanner ang khan an scan chuak vek don ti na ni chu. You'll get through yourself as well. Then they'll give a stamp for your ticket and boarding pass as well. Nang pon an scan chu iti ve angaya. Chuan I ticket le boarding pass a khan seal an lo chut sakang che. One more thing, they're not allowed any liquid like water, any drinks, knife, nail cutter, meat, etc. Thil pakhat le lo, thil tui lam chi reng an phal lawa tui te in the chi swing shrim te chem te kutin te na sa thlengin an phal lawa ni. Remember that, otherwise they'll discard everything in front of you. Reng ang che ani lo chuan I mu lain an pai vek thawang. Oh really? Very informative. I'll remember that. Anything else? Alo ni mo abeng var thak tak zet ani. Kalau reng don nia nge dang halo mem. Then directly you can go to your gate for waiting your flight. Chuan I gate chuan I kalnal na anga itho suun khani to mai. Don't keep away your ticket and boarding pass as well. You have to show again while entering. I ticket le boarding pass ka da bolo la lu dona an lo en le dona nia. Seat arrangement is a little bit different. Your seat number is 19A using 8. A Thlawhna an rem dan te hi claimin adang lama I seat number ka 19A ani tiro. Yes, it is. I'm a bit confusing. Oh nie, kasiet pol dew klat. It's simple. Directly you have to search only number 19. All someday number 19 ka isong halbat vatanga ni mai. Once you get number 19, it will mention at the same place ABC. In the middle one is B, in the corner one is your seat A. Number som pagwana I mu huna chuan ABC alo om veang, B kha alai nia, A kha nangma Thlawhna tur chuani. I'm very grateful to you. Now I can go confidently. Kalon tak zetani tuna chuan in ring tok takin kakal thei do don ani. But room also there for emergency case. Okay, laklo thilatan in thirna po omania.